Thank you for your interest in NuVue's Pop-Open Greenhouse. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your greenhouse. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they are easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Untie the 2 fabric ties that are securing the cover closed. Step 2. Untie the bag holding the 4 ground spikes. Step 3. Tie any loose, untied red ties to the fiberglass poles. These are on the inside of the cover. Step 4. Place the greenhouse over the plants or shrubs you wish to protect. Step 5. The NuVue greenhouse has 2 built-in roll-up windows to allow for temperature control during hot days and allow for easy watering. Simply roll up the cover and tie the loose ties in a bow tie to secure the window in place. Roll down the windows when the temperature drops. Step 6. With a rubber mallet, hammer the 4 ground spikes through the NuVue Materials tab at the bottom 4 corners of the greenhouse. The ground spikes should be installed at a 45-degree angle to properly secure the cover. Disassembly. Step 1. Remove the 4 ground spikes securing the cover to the ground. Step 2. Push both ends of the cover so that it lays flat. Step 3. Tie the 2 loose ties in a bow tie to hold the cover closed. Step 4. Store in a dry place until next use.